you can press all the other buttons fine on this watch, but the issue everyone seems to have is with the button on the top left hand corner. Now it's a certain technique to do it, so I'm gonna show you the technique. So just extend your arm out and place your thumb here. What we're gonna do, you're gonna twist your thumb like this, and at the same time twist your arm into the thumb. So we're gonna do this motion right here. So here we go. Stopwatch is still going. We gotta press that button right there to reset it. So on 30, place my thumb there and twist. Let's reset one more time. Stop the stopwatch. So on 3 seconds. Get in position, twist. That's all you have to do. So I see people say it's a defect in the watch. People even go as far as like cutting the watch to get to this button, but it's made that way for a reason. So this button actually adjusts the time. So if you press this by accident and you mess up the time, now you got a watch with the wrong time. So I think it's perfect that it's hard to get to, because it's not, you really won't use it that much unless you're using stopwatches and stuff like that to work out. So when it comes to working out with stopwatches, just remember that technique. Place here, extend your arm, and twist. All right, but that's all I got for this video, man. Next video I'm gonna do on this watch is probably how to remove the battery, because this battery does last about a couple years. You do have to replace it. All right, but that's it for this video. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.